Welcome to Milltown Threads, weaving together our stories of the past. Brought to you by the Mill Museum and the Last Green Valley. Hey, did you hear that bell? Factories in the 1800s used steam whistles or bells in the tower to wake up workers and get them to work on time. Get out of bed, you sleepy head, and get you a bite to eat. The factory whistle's calling you. There's no more time for sleep. Eventually, many mills used time clocks where the workers inserted their time card when they arrived and when they left, so the factory would know how many hours they worked. It's quitting time.